It's like this ebb and flow through this period of time where your body is just changing.
At the time, I actually didn't realize that I was going through menopause. And I think that that was one of the challenges, is that I had no idea. Nobody could kind of give me a definitive answer that the symptoms that I was having are actually the menopause.
I went to 18 different doctors, 2 world-renowned medical facilities, and still no one mentioned nutrition, nor did they mention menopause.
I couldn't function. The symptoms were just not your typical symptoms that you hear about all the time of the hot flushes and the night sweats. I did have those to an extent, but they weren't my main problem. The brain fog and the headaches and vision loss, a lot of the head symptoms were and are still my main issue.
I had a ton of the brain fog as well, and it's still a part of who I am every day, and it's super, super frustrating. I'm not being able to sleep at night, twitching in my eyes, migraines, vertigo, auras, numbness in my hands and feet. It's a lot for a woman to go through.
What I personally would like to see is that when a woman starts coming into her 40s, that her hormones are checked, and that, they're made more aware that symptoms that they may start having, or if they start feeling a little bit off, just having the back of your mind, is this the beginning of the menopause? Because I think that the more awareness and information women have as they start getting into that age group, the better.
I love the fact that you said that you didn't realize that it was actually menopause, because I thought I was the only person that didn't. I'm like, what the heck? What's going on?
Having conversations with your girlfriends that are of similar ages and to see what experiences they're having, that really helps. I think there's just something comforting in knowing that you're not the only one, because when you feel alone and like you're the only person going through some of these things, it's really hard. But I think one of the other things that really helped me as well was going beyond my GP and finding private help. If you feel like you're not really getting anywhere with your own doctor, they're not really listening to you, then seek help elsewhere. Seek help elsewhere, because the help is out there.